All right, so we've got our couple characters here. We want those characters to talk to each other. So they're going to use something called callouts, but we like to say speech bubbles because that makes a lot of sense. So just remember when we had our shapes, if you click on shapes, you have shapes as your first choice, but two of them down, it's called callouts. And at the very bottom, you would see those different things that we use as speech bubbles. So if I click on one of those, again, I get those crosshairs. I click and drag it to make it the size I want. And then if it's still highlighted, I can start typing. Say, hello, how are you? Question mark. Now, the great thing with this, it's just like your shapes that you had before. If it's highlighted, you can change the fill color to something else. You can change the size if you need to. The little pointy spot, you can extend it to go directly to where you want it to be. Now, if I want this one to say something back, same thing. I'm going to go to shapes, come down to callouts, choose the one that I like, this one, make the speech bubble. When it's still highlighted, and I can say, I am doing well, thank you. And again, I can move any of these around so that it looks however I want it to look. And that's how you use little speech bubbles to have them talk.